Question 45. A gas occupies 30.0 dm³ at STP. What volume would it occupy at 91 degrees Celsius and 380 mmHg? So the general gas question, and the first thing to do is to write out our givens. We have, since it is STP, so our P1 equals 760 mmHg. Solving a gas question, the general gas question, once it includes STP, you have to use 760 mmHg as the first pressure. Our T1, since it is STP, we will use 273 Kelvin as our T1. Our V1 is 30.0 dm³. Remember, any question you are solving that include STP, don't forget these two values. You just replace it, our P1 as 760 mmHg, and the T1 you replace it as 273 Kelvin, and the value left you input it in the second pressure and temperature, because this STP means standard temperature and pressure, and the standard temperature is 273 Kelvin and the standard pressure is 760 mmHg. So if you are not given the value for the pressure, first pressure and first temperature, once it includes STP, you just input these two values. It's very constant. It's very constant. So let's check for our P2. Our P2 is 380 mmHg. 380, so our pressure, second pressure, 380 mmHg, and our T2 is 91 degrees Celsius, but we can't leave it at 91, we need to convert it to Kelvin. And to convert to Kelvin, what do? We add it plus 273. Plus 273 is constant, and 91 plus 273 will give us 364 Kelvin. 364 Kelvin. So we are looking for what? Our V2. Our V2 is unknown. So we have P1, V1 over T1 equals P2, V2 over T2. So if we cross multiply, we have V2 equals P1, V1, T2. Because they already multiplied, we have P1, V1 multiplied by T2 over P2, T1. That's the one left. P2, V1. So our V2 equals 760 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 364 over 380 multiplied by 273. So our V2 equals 80 dm³. You can press your calculator, check it out. 80 dm³ is the correct answer. So let's check our option. It's in option D. 80 dm³ is the correct answer.